Welcome to Informed Investor. In recent years, India has witnessed a significant surge in credit card usage, particularly among millennials. The ease of easy credit and the convenience of a plastic money have led to a substantial increase in credit card transactions. However, this trend has also come with a concerning consequence: a spike in credit card losses for banks, followed by several defaulters. In this video, we will delve into the reasons behind this escalating issue, focusing on the role of millennials and the impact of buy now, pay later. Millennials, being digital natives born in the era of the fast-paced technology, are the ones born between 1997 and 2012. And millennials have embraced credit cards as an integral part of their financial lives. Their willingness to spend and their desire for instant gratification have fueled the growth of the credit card market. If you look at the image on the screen, according to TransUnion CIBIL data, credit card defaulters rose to 1.8% as of June 2024 from 1.7% 6 months ago and 1.6% as of March 2023. While the percentage increase may seem very marginal, the amount of outstanding credit card dues has increased significantly to 2.7 lakh crore from 2.6 lakh crore in March 2024. In context, before the pandemic, in March 2019, the total card dues stood at around 87,686 crores. The rising usage of digital payment infrastructure, improved internet and payment services, and the popularity of e-commerce have created a favorable platform for the growth of the card industry. The lure of paying in EMIs for purchasing goods online drags young users into defaults. Card companies offer attractive deals for big-ticket purchases on credit cards in EMIs, luring young users into impulsive buys, later turning into a burden. And that's not it. The BNPL, which is buy now, pay later, is catching up as well. Several e-commerce platforms offer the BNPL service, fueling the spending frenzy. Take for example, Flipkart offers its Flipkart Pay Later service, where users can pay the entire amount or pay it in EMIs. With all these methods to lure users, the rising debt is adding stress to the unsecured lending segment, which basically includes credit cards and personal loans. A point to highlight is that our economy has been seeing a shift from a savings-driven economy to a more consumption-driven economy. What users don't understand is that these services often encourage overspending, leading to impulsive buys, followed by increased debt, and more importantly, it also comes with high interest rates or late fees, adding to the total cost of the purchase. The borrower's journey begins with a large purchase with the thought process of repaying it in installments. But this outstanding amount gets amortized at a rate as high as 48% annually, and in some cases also reaches a stage where the borrower can only make the minimum payment. And this in turn affects the credit score or CIBIL score of these borrowers. Now, talking about the impact on banks, the surge in credit card losses has significant implications for Indian banks. Non-performing assets or NPAs related to credit cards have been on the rise, impacting banks' profitability and financial stability. And according to Macquarie Capital, the net credit losses in credit cards are running closer to 5 to 6% as young millennials are using the entire limit and are directly fully defaulting and turning into NPA without even revolving the loan. However, to address this issue, the Reserve Bank of India had previously flagged risks in the unsecured segment, asking lenders to exercise caution while extending personal loans for consumption purposes. The RBI increased the risk weight for consumer loans advanced by commercial banks and NBFCs by 25% with immediate effect from November 2023. This led to banks and NBFCs to set aside more capital while extending loans. As a result, this led to higher lending rates by lenders. Post the above RBI measures, according to Macquarie, credit growth in these segments has come down from a peak of 25% to 15%. Now, to conclude, the growing culture of credit card usage among millennials, coupled with the impact of buy now pay later services, has resulted in a concerning spike in credit card losses for Indian banks. For many users, this power to swipe could soon become a financial nightmare. To address this issue, a multifaceted approach is required to impart financial literacy among young millennials and make users aware of responsible borrowing. Having said that, this is me, Rahul Hassan, signing off. Have a great day and stay safe.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.